Hello guys, it's a Sunday afternoon and it's kind of lazy. It was raining, it's not raining, whatever. The guys are watching a movie on TV and I'm in the mood for a cocktail. And what am I gonna make for you today? A Bloody Mary. So I have here in my cocktail glass lots of ice, and I'm gonna put a shot and a half of vodka, my favorite, Grey Goose. A shot and a half, there we go. The juice of 1 lemon, some Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire. Whoop, okay. I got 3 ounces of tomato juice. And let's not forget my hot sauce. Gotta be spicy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll test it out and see if it's still spicy. And of course, my horseradish. I like a lot of horseradish. So we're putting in like a teaspoon, maybe more. And celery salt. Instead of salt, I do celery salt because we put celery in it. And last but not least, a dash of black pepper. And what I'm gonna do is mix it up. Whoa! Mix that sucker up. And I have my strainer. I used to be a bartender, you know, and I had a kit with all my bartending equipment in it. And since we moved, I can't find it. Oh well. So I have here a stalk of celery and a slice of lemon. And I'm gonna put my Bloody Mary in there. Okay. That looks good. Now, we're gonna taste it. Without the celery stalk in your eye. That's good. Wow. I'll have another sip. If you're hanging around and the guys are just doing nothing, make yourself a Bloody Mary. Until my next video, have a good one.